In 1985, there were 2,821,000 accidents in the United States attributed to excessive speed. Thousands of people were injured or killed in those accidents. Excessive speed as cause contributed approximately 15% to the total traffic accidents in the country during 1985. In an effort to reduce the number of accidents, injuries, and fatalities caused by excessive speed, a traffic monitoring system is being proposed for use by law enforcement agencies in the United States. The new system, known as photo radar, combines advanced radar and computer technology with high-speed photography to take pictures of vehicles that exceed the posted speed limit. Photo radar equipment has been in use in numerous foreign countries for more than 10 years. In Switzerland, more than 100 photo radar units were in operation as of 1982. Over a period of approximately 3 years, the photo radar units in Switzerland significantly contributed to a 15% reduction in the number of traffic accidents, a 27% reduction in traffic fatalities, and a 19% reduction in traffic injuries. The photo radar unit consists of a Doppler radar, a camera, a flash unit, a handheld operating unit, and a computer. The equipment can be installed in the back of a station wagon or similar vehicle. When in use, the operator parks the vehicle with the photo radar unit next to the roadway to be monitored. The operator then adjusts the radar to the proper position for monitoring 1, 2, or 3 lanes. The unit can be positioned on either side of the road. Next, the time, date, and speed limit are entered through the handheld operating unit. Finally, the operator places a paper insert into the unit that shows the location where the pictures were taken. Once the setup procedures are complete, the unit operates automatically. The photo radar system performs a number of self-checks while monitoring vehicles. For example, the computer in the system can determine whether there is more than one vehicle in the radar's path. If this is the case, the computer will prevent a photograph from being taken, or it will void a photograph if one has already been taken. This eliminates the potential problem of not knowing which of the vehicles in the picture was the one exceeding the speed limit. In addition to clearly showing a vehicle as it exceeds the speed limit, the black and white pictures taken by the photo radar system show the license plate and the driver of the vehicle. In addition, the system displays on the picture the time, date, location, and actual speed at which the vehicle was clocked by the radar. The license plate numbers photographed by the photo radar unit are used to obtain the name and address of the vehicle's owner. The photograph showing the actual person driving the vehicle can be used to make the positive identification in the event that someone other than the owner of the vehicle was responsible for the traffic violation. Once the owner of the vehicle is identified, a notice is mailed to that person about the alleged traffic violation. The notice indicates that a picture was taken of the owner's vehicle traveling at an excessive speed. The picture is not mailed with the notice. The usual wording of the notice offers 3 options for taking care of the alleged traffic violation. The first option is to pay the appropriate fine. The second is for the owner to identify the person driving the vehicle if the owner was not driving the vehicle at the time. Finally, the owner may request a court hearing to challenge the citation. The exact wording of the notice is determined by the agency using the photo radar system. The person receiving a notice of a speeding violation may request to see the photograph referred to by the notice. Otherwise, the picture will not be used except as evidence in a court hearing. The photo radar system is an efficient and effective method of traffic enforcement. For example, photo radar can detect 19 speeding violators for every one under current police radar enforcement procedures. Consequently, more officers can be deployed to other crime prevention and control activities instead of traffic enforcement. In addition, the high success rate of the system is a strong inducement for drivers to observe the posted speed limits. Photo radar equipment offers other advantages. The use of photo radar reduces the number of times a police officer has to be exposed to the potentially dangerous situation of approaching a vehicle without knowing what the person in the vehicle is going to do. Also, the system reduces the number of times an officer has to pull over another vehicle. Even in ordinary traffic conditions, attempting to pull over another vehicle is dangerous for both the officer and the driver involved. The photo radar system may not win friends among speeders. However, if the results attained in other countries are repeated in the United States, the system will increase the likelihood that drivers will safely arrive at their destinations.